Hello viewers, what I have for you today is this nicely built Colt 1911. As you can see on the grips, they are marked ASG, but this gun is only sold by the ASG. When you look on the frame, it's built by KWC in Taiwan. Focus. But it's really nicely built in black. So your safety is here, as you expect. This is one of the few Springer guns that actually lock not only the trigger but also the slide and hammer by the safety. You can't pull the hammer, trigger or slide. You disengage the safety by pushing it down, and then it works just as expected. The grip safety on this doesn't work, so you will be able to use only the manual safety. Slide stop also doesn't work, but it's not molded in, it's a separate part, which is nice. You have standard push button magazine release. Push it in. Actually, the magazine will pop out pretty far even when it's empty. It's a single stack, I think somewhere around 12, 13 or 14 rounds capacity. You pull this little button on the follower down, come down, and it will lock in the bottom position. Here on the other side you have a release button for the follower, but you load it when the follower is down by pushing this button in. That way you open the magazine, and then when it's full you press on this and the follower will pop up. There's really not much else to say about this gun. It's pretty accurate. Power on this is average for a short Springer. It's very nicely built. So I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching.